Beautiful family, today I'll be showing you how to clean Ijebu Ponmo from this to achieve this. Welcome to our channel. As always, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel, please. Thank you. I'll put the dried Ponmo into a big bowl and I'll add a lot of water. While I'm adding the water, if you have ever eaten Ponmo before, please click the like button. Let's know ourselves. And I'll cover it and allow it soak for 12 to 24 hours. Here is what the Ponmo looks like after 24 hours. As you can see, it has softened, it has expanded. I mean, it is now twice the size of what it initially was. This is why I like to soak my Ponmo in a lot of water. And the next thing to do is to clean it. So I'll put it in a bigger bowl to reduce the mess, and I'll transform it using this iron sponge. I've had it for a long time anyway, so it's a bit old. Because the Ponmo is now soft, it is very easy to clean, especially if you are using an iron sponge. All you need to do is simply scrub it with the sponge and you'll see the dirt remove fast. Dried Ijebu Ponmo is very versatile because it has a long shelf life. In fact, a lot of Nigerians who live outside Nigeria ship Ponmo Ijebu to their location. As a matter of fact, I always ship this to my cousins in the UK. It can last for up to a year, in as much as it is in a dry area, water is not being poured on it, and it is kept in a place where there's free flow of air. One time I used to avoid this kind of stress, so I would go to the market to buy clean Ponmo. But something changed my mind. Get ready for this one. On this particular day, I saw the women washing their Ponmo with alum. I simply put two hands together and realized the Ponmo must be rotten or spoiled, and that is why they are trying to stop it from being slimy by using alum to wash it. You know, alum has a way of removing slime, just like you use alum to wash snail. As in my mind, I said to myself, I'll rather stress myself than eat something that is so bad and poisonous. By the way, you can scrape the top dirt away with your knife if it seems the sponge is not washing it properly. Do you think washing cow skin is hard? Let me quickly dispose this dirty water. This is the clean water, and I will repeat the process again just to make sure I remove the stubborn dirt or whatever that might be on it. If you cannot soak your Ponmo for 24 hours, sometimes we are pressed for time and we forget. Assuming you want to cook with it in the evening, you can soak it in the morning and it will be soft by evening. Maybe not this much, but when you cook with it, the Ponmo will continue to expand in your soup by absorbing the liquid in your soup. So you might wake up the next day and realize your soup is thicker than it was. It is probably the Ponmo that has absorbed the water in the soup. Well, Ponmo is ready for cooking. Thank you so much for watching. Look at this. Which kind of soup will you cook this with? My sister, let's just